Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm actually going to be cleaning the old D16A6 motor that I have. Since I've done the swap with the D16Y8, I've always been wanting to clean up that motor. It has quite a bit of oil and all that stuff on it from being caked on over the years, and if I were to keep that motor as a spare motor, because it runs really well still, I would like it to be a little bit cleaner. So I've been wanting to do this, but haven't had a chance to, and I've also been a little bit lazy because, motor swap was the hardest part, done it, and then it's been just kind of sitting, and the D1686 has just been also sitting on a pallet for the longest time. I mean, I think I might actually post it up for sale as well to see if anybody's interested. So, this will just make it a little bit more presentable. In this video, I'll show you guys quickly how to clean the engine. Similar to what we did with the transmission, it's going to be pretty straightforward, using the same stuff, super clean, and yeah, basically just gonna scrub down this engine and make sure that it's nice and sparkly. Well, it's not going to be perfect because it is an old engine, but it would look a lot better without all that grease on it. Alright guys, so this is the D16A6. The chain's still on it. I'm going to be removing that in a sec. So what I did was I stuffed, I guess, tissue paper or like some sort of paper towel into the exhaust ports because I don't have a header on here. I could easily just bolt on the old header, but it's easier just to stuff a few pieces of paper towel in there. As you can see, it's still pretty filthy. It's pretty greasy down here. The engine did run really well prior to me pulling it out, so there's really nothing wrong with it. Compression was all good and all that. So yeah, there's the bracket that I removed to put onto my D16Y8. Here are the old injectors, so I'll be cleaning that up. Not sure if I'm going to get to the intake manifold or not to clean. I should, but that means I should block off this plate as well then. But, we'll see. I should stuff that up if this is the case, or I should just put the old intake tube on there, and that way water doesn't get inside, which is also a very good idea. So that's basically the engine. Put it on the engine stand. There's a whole pile of coolant that leaked out of the motor when I did that. So yeah, I'm going to just get to work and start the cleaning process. Probably show you some of it and probably stop filming on certain parts. I don't think you guys want to watch me really toothbrushing the whole motor. It's pretty straightforward. Just use some super clean and spray it on there and hose it off afterwards. So let's get to work, and I'll set up the camera for filming the whole process. 1686 is all clean. I did the best that I can. There's still grease on it. You know, can't really clean it perfectly without having to go through a hot tank. But it is the best that it can be. It's pretty clean. I'll come over here and I'll show you guys how it looks like. I did put the chain back onto it, so I'm gonna put it back onto the pallet later. So it's pretty clean now. Yeah, so I hope this was helpful to you guys watching me clean this engine. I mean, obviously you guys are gonna be probably cleaning yours in the engine bay. It's much easier when the engine is out, and it's much easier if your engine has been cleaned before. This one was definitely all caked on and gross. So, I mean, you can still kind of see some of the remnants of the oil and grease. I did the best I could do. Doesn't have to be perfect, but it's pretty clean now. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.